So now we're at the Kilamanjaro Safaris for our fast pass.
Hello everybody and welcome aboard the Simba 1. My name is Patrick and I am going to be your safari guide today as we take an adventure through the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. Now if you are planning on taking pictures today of the animals, I recommend having all those cameras ready to go at all times. This is a free roaming reserve and these animals can be anywhere. Also take a look up above you. You are going to see an animal spotting guide. Now that guide's going to help you identify some of the animals that we might find out there. Now we might not see all the animals up there on my guide, but we totally have pretty good luck. Alrighty then. Now we're going to head down to that watering hole on your left side. Now friends, in this area, make sure you are looking out for black rhino, because I have seen them before. They're really awesome. You don't find them every safari, but look on your left. Left side, black rhino right there. Friends, there are less than 5,000 of those beautiful animals left in the world. Less than. Also to your left-hand side, these large white birds are peacock pelicans. Yeah, look at that left-hand side. Some more hippos.
Ooh, some hippos.
In the water?
Now these hippos will spend most of their days in the water. It does help keep them cool. They can hold their breath for up to 8 minutes at a time. Hey, look to your left. You can get a great idea of just how big one of these animals are.
Oh, look.
Also to your left, that blackbird's white-breasted. Whoa. And look on your left side, Nile crocodile. Make sure everyone's staying seated. You do not want to fall in that river. I promise. Now, these Nile crocodile are one of Africa's largest and most powerful. And they have a bite force of around 2,000 pounds per square inch. Y'all, it's enough to break. Check out this tree to your right side. It is a staple of the African savanna. That's a baobab tree, also known as an upside-down tree, and that's because when leafless, these trees will look totally upside down. Those bare branches looking like roots stretching up towards the sky. Welcome to the Serengeti. Look on your left side. Patterson's eland. Now there's a little baby elands find their moms over here. Look for the male eland. Now they're massive.
Look at those giraffes.
Look on the right side. That's a little baby giraffe right there.
So you don't need to look in there anymore.
I'll stop right over here for you. That way you can grab a photo. Also up close to us, these are Ankoli cattle. Also known as Watusi cattle.
Horns. Daphne.
Have those leaves that are just out of reach. My favorite fact about giraffe is that they will eat for about 20 hours out of the day. Can you believe that? That's almost an entire day of just eating. The giraffes will eat for so long they could even get sunburnt on their tongues.
You're right, he's probably a little faster than us.
Now we call this elephant country because a lot of these animals will migrate through this area. We don't see them every safari.
I know.
We'll be in luck today.
I think we're going to see elephants in a minute.
Elephants will roam for miles.
Elephant. Watch out, right?
Look at him swinging that truck.
Look at the elephant,
Now here in
Dad.
Harambe, y'all, we've been doing a lot of research into elephants, specifically elephant vocalizations. And what we found out is that these elephants will flee from bees. Just honeybees. They're afraid of bees. Funny, right? Now these males will often be found living alone, but they'll never stray too far from the females, so there must be a herd of females up ahead. Now let's go check out the whoa. We're alive!
Spill your water.
I thought we're Connors. Those two look like fresh elephant tracks down there on the left. And I think I see elephants in the clearing. Let's
I think
go
I see
take a
some
closer
too.
look.
Ooh.
Yep, elephants. We're gonna get really close. Look at your left side. Whoa. Check that out.
Dad, look.
I think we can get a better look at these elephants right over here. There you go. Look at this.
Daphne, look at the
They're
elephants.
so close.
Look.
Check this out. That's a good elephant sound. They you might notice these elephants flapping themselves with their ears. Look at this young one right here doing that. Now they will do that to help cool themselves down. Pretty cool, right? You might also notice these animals using those trunks kind of like a hand. They are the largest and lightest shade of pink of all the flamingo species. Now friends, I hate to say it, but elephants are in big danger out here in Africa, even on the safety of reserves like this one. Around 96 of those beautiful creatures are poached every day for those tusks. 96. That's about one elephant every 15 minutes. Unfortunately, friends, these rhino used to be one of Africa's greatest success stories. They were making a comeback, but due to increasing poaching efforts for those horns, their numbers are once again dwindling. Now, sometimes around these rocks, you can find lions. I've seen them around here before. Keep on the lookout for them. Lions love these rocks. They give them a great view of the savannah and can help them spot prey from afar.
Oh, I see him.
There must be lions around here.
Oh, I see the male lion up here.
Oh, look at the left lion. That's a male right there to your left side. Check out that big guy. Only the male lions have those big, beautiful mates around their necks. Please don't go with the lion. You do not want to pick them down here.
Right up there.
Now these lions will rest for up to 20 hours out of the day. They do most of their hunting at night. So around night, these lions will be much more active than they do. Now male lions are the leaders of their prides. Now he will stay back and guard his territory and his cubs from other competing males. Hey, now look on your left side, a warthog.
Oh, look, it's Pumbaa.
Warthogs are the largest of the burrowing animals. Look at these burrows they've dug out below. And they will use their tusks and their tough snouts to dig out those burrows. Another white rhino.
Who's back there?
Yeah.
Wolves, gazelle.
Also some ostriches on your right side.
There's a zebra.
You don't care?
And also ponchbok, those brown-coated animals.
Like zebras?
We have one more bridge to cross. Let's hope this one holds up a little better than the last one.
Uh-oh, Daff, it's a bumpy bridge. Hold on.
Here we go. I think we're going to make it this time.
Oh, that one wasn't nearly as bumpy.
I'd like to be your friend.
Well, I'm from the ocean.
The ocean, eh? I'm from the ocean too. Sorry if I ever took a snap at your land.
It's P. Sherman 42, Wallaby Way, Sydney. I guess it's nothing.
No, Dory, that's the mess.
Yay! We did it!
Yeah, but now what? We don't know how to get there.
So we followed our gut.
What?
Keep swimming, just keep swimming. Everything will be okay.
Keep swimming.
Just keep swimming. Life is a joy scream.
Keep swimming.
Swimming. What do? We swim. Going the flow.
Offspring. Hi, offspring. Jellyman.
Jelly's cool! Summer 360 Spark check together. We swim together.
So there's Expedition Everest. We're headed over there. We have a fast pass. This is the queue line, whatever you call it, leading up to Expedition Everest. We're in the Fast Pass one. So you might see something different depending on what line you go into.
Himalayan Escapes welcomes members of the Expedition Everest team.
I'm gonna stay screwed for the whole thing, ready? I'm lying, but you know.
Don't jinx it, Kevin. Oh, by the way, this goes backwards. No.
Yes!
Well, we had a great day at the Animal Kingdom. We're headed out now. It's a little bit earlier than we would normally leave, but we are going to the early luau tonight at the Polynesian. So, we thought we would go on home and freshen up. It's been a really hot day here for February. It's been in the mid-80s. And so we thought we would head on back to the hotel so everybody can shower and change clothes if they want to and just freshen up so we can really enjoy ourselves at the luau tonight. So stay tuned for luau footage. So we're in the lobby of the Polynesian. It's a beautiful lobby. There's shops and everything down here, the main gift shop, but there's also shops up on the second level. Several restaurants. And just really pretty decor and architecture. This looks like a giant tiki hut. In that part. So there's an intermission in the show at the luau, and I'm out in back of the Polynesian overlooking Seven Seas Lagoon. This is the Grand Floridian, and as we go around you can see Magic Kingdom with Cinderella's castle there way in the background, and across the lake is the Contemporary, and then here's part of the back of the Polynesian. It's a beautiful view back here.
Tomar uma